Now let's start this question. It's my second video I made today. So you can see in the question say validate the binary search tree. Okay. Now you can go through this description and then it's the rule you have to follow. So which means the subtree. Now let's go through this example. So you need to know one thing. Okay, it's left subtree, right? This one is the right subtree. Owner node must be less than the parent node. So we know here's one. The one must be less than the two, right? And here is the right subtree. The owner value in the right subtree need to greater than the two. So you need to understand here. If follow this rule, we can say the tree is binary search tree. Otherwise, it's not valid, which will return false. Now, how to do here this one? So actually, we can create a range, right? So now we get here this value uh less than the two, right? So we can pass the two, and we can here is the minimum. So now we can pass this parameter to this level, and then we can ask, okay, the one in the range or not. If the one small greater than the minimum and the smaller than the two is come from the parent node, right? So we need to, if we go to left, okay, we need to pass in the two as the maximum is right value, right? So here's minimum value. So make sure this one in this range. If yes, we just keep going down. Now, if we go into the left, which means now we know the two should be less than the three because it's right subtree, right? All the value in the right subtree need to greater than the two. So we can pass the two as the left boundary. And now we need to maximum here as the right boundary. So the three must be in this between in this range. If yes, okay, we just keep going down. If we cannot find other no, okay, we just return true, and then we just return true. We tell the decoder, okay, this one is true, it's valid, it's binary search tree. Now we go down here. Now we're doing the same thing here. We need to pass the minimum as left boundary and the 5 as the right boundary. Okay, so we need to check one is minimum. Okay, make sure one is between this range. Okay, yes, right? And one greater than minimum and the smaller than 5. Okay, we say at least this subtree is correct. Now because we cannot goes down anymore, right? So now we need to go to here because here is right subtree. So now we need to pass the 5 as left boundary and the 5 the maximum as the right boundary, right? Now we need to check the 4 should be in this range, right? But we find out, okay, 4 is not in the bound, it's not in the range. 4 is smaller than 4 is here, right? It's out of bound. So we can say this one is not valid because the 4 must be in this range, but not it's not, right? So we can say it's not valid. So now I think you have some idea now. So we can start coding up. We can pass the DFS and we pass the rule. So you can see here. You can see here, right? It's constraint. Its maximum is minimum of the integer. So we need to provide the bigger one. So we can provide the long, the minimum as the boundary, long. Now we pass this one. Now we need to create the help function. We create a true. The left. Oh, sorry, it's not in. It should be wrong. Left wrong and right. If a rule equal to no, because we already reach the end, right? So we need to return true. And if rule dot value next equal name left, we need to return true 4. And if rule dot value greater than right, we also need to return 4. Because we know the value must in a range, but now here these two conditions is not in a range, right? It's out of bound. So now we need to return false. And then we keep asking if we go to left, if we go to left subtree. So now we know we key in the left, and then we need to update in the right. And then here we go to right. So we need to key in the rule dot value, and then we need to pass the rule dot value as the left boundary and right as the right boundary, right? And then we need to return. Oh, sorry. So because here should be boolean left subtree. I can say here go to now copy this one. It's right. Now we need to, and the right. Now I think I done on this coding. Now let's run it. Oh, okay. Oh, it's vanilla, sorry. Oh no, 1 second. Yeah, it's vanilla. And then let me double check left. Okay, we pass the it's no, it's left. I think correct now. You can see pass on the test case. Okay, it's B 100%. So thank you for watching this video.